There is no increased risk of cancer in Ecuador's Amazon region, as verified by Ecuadorian government data and peer-reviewed studies. Epidemiological studies prove that cancer mortality rates in the former concession area are not higher, and people in the former concession got cancer much less often than residents of the capital city of Quito. The plaintiff's primary expert on cancer damages testified that neither Chevron Corporation nor TexPet ever caused anybody to get cancer.
You're not offering the opinion that Chevron took any action that actually caused anybody to get cancer, correct?
No, I'm not.
And you're not offering the opinion that TexPet took any action that actually caused anybody to get cancer, correct?
No, I'm not.
Plaintiff's environmental consultant, Douglas Beltman of Stratus Consulting, likewise disavowed the plaintiff's cancer claims, testifying that Stratus never determined that any individual actually got cancer as a result of oil production. Beltman also admitted that the reports plaintiffs cite for their cancer claims are flawed. For instance, the plaintiffs secretly funded studies conducted by epidemiologist Miguel San Sebastian. But even those studies failed to conclude there is a causal link between oil production and cancer in the Oriente. Olga Lucia Gomez, a member of the plaintiff's technical team, informed the plaintiff's legal team that the people in San Carlos have lower percentages of cancer than the rest of the province of Pichincha.
Hizo un censo en la población de San Carlos al INEC y la conclusión es de que la población de San Carlos tiene menos porcentaje de cáncer que lo que se presenta en la provincia de Pichincha. Entonces esa es la última conclusión que ellos tienen para defenderse de que no viene el cáncer de San Carlos por los hidrocarburos.
¿Tiene alguna razón eso?
No, pues es un documento del INEC que se supone que es el ente que hace todos los censos acá en el Ecuador, ¿no? De mucho peso. No tenemos más que el estudio de San Sebastián para decir si hay cáncer. No tenemos más. Y según ese el estudio tiene muchas cosas cortadas, es muy sesgado.
In 2008, the plaintiffs tried to convince Dr. San Sebastian to endorse their claims regarding hundreds of excess cancer deaths attributable to Texaco. He refused, responding to them via email that they were distorting his data. When complaining that San Sebastian refused to put a number on the excess cancer cases, Donziger told his interns that if the facts don't exist, they need to make facts that help them.
We need to make facts that help us, and the facts that we need don't always exist. There's another key point about litigation. You have to get the right facts. And if they don't exist in an obvious way, you got to go figure out how to make them. Otherwise, you're going to lose.
So that's what they did. The plaintiffs' lawyers never submitted a single medical record to the Lago Agrio court to back up their claims, because, as they acknowledged in internal emails, they had none. But as plaintiff's expert David Russell testified, Donziger did not really want to know what, if anything, was causing harm to residents. His primary focus was on sticking it to Chevron. In fact, Russell saw no evidence of any widespread health effects caused by oil contamination from Texaco. Donziger just wanted to keep saying that oil was causing health harms so he could force Chevron into settling. Donziger funded a photojournalist to search for and photograph particularly sick individuals in the region so that the plaintiffs could use these people in its media campaign against Chevron, even though Russell told Donziger that the data did not support a link between these illnesses and deaths and oil operations. But Donziger ignored the facts, stating, "We need to up the ante and talk about dead children and people dying." Donziger even hatched a plan to bring kids with cancer up to Quito for a press event around Christmas in order to keep attacking and keep the pressure on Chevron Corporation. Instead of focusing on real health problems in the region caused by poor sanitation and poverty, the plaintiffs' lawyers deceived the public, using manipulation and exploitation in an attempt to win money from Chevron Corporation.